Hi guys! So this week is Holy Week, and for me, I'm having like social media fasting, like to use social media at all for the whole week, for Holy Week, as in like a sacrifice. So this week, just having all Holy Week, like having reflection and reading Bible. Especially I got read today about Judge chapter 6. So yun lang, nakakatuwa mag reflect dun sa story ng different leaders during that time. So today I have read all about Gideon. So like he's faithless, coward and all, but still God meet him in the middle to answer all his questions and all. Nakakatuwa lang how God is good, as in like patience and all, but still he'll be the one who'll save us kung ano man ang need natin. Biruin niyo yun, nakakatuwa lang yung story na naread ko today kasi 300 lang yung soldier niya, and they defeat